our application is a job application recorder. It can do sorting, searching, and keep everything very organized and create new job applications. So right now we have all the UI ready. We're able to click and see the drop downs. We're able to edit the information, and we're able to delete the information. We're also able to add the information like something like this. And only the first 5 fields are required. Anything else can be entered later. We haven't linked it to the backend yet, but everything like the UI, the sorting UI, the adding like the new application button UI, the search button UI has all been added.
So I'm kind of showing what the backend team does. Again, we have not yet connected it to the front end team's work, but we will be doing that shortly. The backend team has created a database with IndexedDB, and it's able to create, update, get, and delete jobs right now. And we have demonstrated some of its capabilities with just a test file to log and show that it's capable of doing things and regularly connecting it. Additionally, we also have various class files for different classes for different objects that we want to store in the database, and we have test domains as well. So let's run test on like npm test right now. So for the UI side, we can add to the database, we can update jobs, and get all of them or only get one of them if we want to. And then we can also delete them as well. So, and you can see that this data is reflected in IndexedDB, and we have elements actually in the database.
All right, so we have an overview of the pipeline on our main repo page. After running unit testing and end-to-end testing locally to make sure everything works before running commit, after you push changes to origin, we have some workflows in our GitHub repository that will run automatically. One of them is deploying the page to GitHub pages. So there's a version of the site available online, which lets you see everything that's running in its current like finished state. We also have tests that run again on push and as well as on every pull request to make sure that there are no errors before merging new branches. And we've had these unit tests and deployments. All these actions have been working continuously as we've been developing.
In terms of team health, our team has been really healthy. We've been all collaborating very well. We have a great channel to ask each other questions, and we've been doing our daily stand-ups to keep on the same page. In terms of our team organization, we've split into front end and back end and been working in pairs. And our main challenge so far has just been keeping in touch with the other team, which we do mainly through updating each other in our GitHub issues, as you can see here.
So one big challenge we have right now is we don't have enough time to meet because it's near quarter end and everyone have a busy schedule. And being able to meet asynchronously is very important since we'll be doing a lot of like pair programmings. So it's definitely a challenge.
So in our next sprints, we'll start working on combining backend works and front-end works together to enable functions like filtering and sorting.
So our next sprint, looking forward to for our backend, we should continue to working on search, sort, and filtering functionality, and also create more test file and continue working on IndexedDB. So we're looking to perfect the APIs and continue working on the project.
As far as for Sprint 3 for the front end side, we're mainly going to be focusing on integrating with the IndexedDB storage system. So we just want to worry about how we're going to integrate what we have on front end right now with backend. And then in order to accomplish this, we're just going to have to, I guess, communicate with backend members more and then maybe have to directly work with them for issues.